The beginning of the month in the Project and Portfolio 1 course, we were asked to write down 3 specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based goals. I would need to rely on my organizational skills and self-discipline to achieve the goals. The first thing I did was examine how I wanted to expand myself and how it would strengthen my brand. There were 3 goals that I set. Use Premiere to create an emotional visual story. Create a logo in Illustrator, and define my target audience. I found this month to be one of discovery. What I learned is I am good at storytelling. I am able to see a story come to life, and it happens when I hear the right song. I began to get in a flow, and everything just seems to fall in place. When it came to learning Premiere, I relied on YouTube tutorials as a resource. I remember what I was taught in new media tools. Watch the video first to learn, and then go back and watch it to do the assignment. This method works for me, and it makes my working time efficient. Another thing that I learned through this process, I get distracted easily. I have to be in a space where it is quiet with no interruptions. What I also discovered is I work best at night. These discoveries will help me as I move forward on my career path. All of this happened while learning Premiere. I was able to present a visual story to a group of leaders at my church. They were touched, and many of them approached me saying how much they enjoyed my presentation. They were able to share with me what they learned and what stood out to them the most. I can say I was able to achieve creating an emotional visual story this month. Unfortunately, I did not get to make a logo in Illustrator. Looking back, this was not a wise choice for me to try and achieve this goal. For me, trying to learn 2 applications at the same time was not working. I chose to stick with the one that I was a little more comfortable with, and Premiere seemed to work. My third goal still needs some work, defining my target audience. This is an area where I see I can use some help and advice. Previously, I labeled this group as individuals pursuing a dream and encouraging those individuals through social media and visual storytelling. I need to look more into who are these individuals? What's their demographics? How would social media and visual storytelling encourage them? What I did discover is I like videos such as TED Talks and Goalcast. What I could have done better this month was allow enough time to work more on researching my target audience. This is an ongoing process for me, and I will continue to see how my brand continues to evolve. In the end, the project portfolio class was one of discovery for me.